have a phone?
Yeah, I do have.
So, are you happy with the internet that you're getting, the service?
Not much, not that much.
My company is ready to sponsor free internet with the top speed. Would you be interested?
Definitely, why not?
My company is ready to sponsor for a year your internet packs. So, would you be interested?
I'd consider it.
You agree that if we give you an internet pack like this, you will be interested?
Yeah.
Would you be interested?
Yes.
Yes, very much. Would you still be interested?
Definitely.
If you give me the service, there must be some reason behind that.
You just have to sleep with our boss in return.
I wouldn't like to sleep with your boss.
You just have to sleep with our boss.
Okay, no, I'm not doing that.
You just have to do a small compromise.
Like, what compromise?
You just have to sleep with our boss for one time. You have to sleep with our boss. Would you still be interested?
No.
I won't be interested in sleeping with another man just for all these things.
Even sponsor your shopping, your shop
It's
Forever
fine.
21.
I'd rather not shop than sleep with your boss.
I haven't seen your boss and
Are you like saying if you see the boss, you might be interested?
I could be probably because I am single. So, plus I'm getting a good offer. I will think about it.
Sponsor your shopping.
No, never. I mean, अगर वो मेरे लिए चांद भी ला लेना तब भी नहीं.
You just have to sleep with our boss.
Obviously not.
So you just have to sleep with our boss. Would you be interested in doing that?
Of course not.
Not even when he's ready to
no,
sponsor for your intern.
Of course, no. But I would have considered if I would have met him in the club and probably I would have sex with him. That's something else. But I would never sleep with someone who offers me money and says, now you have to sleep with me. No, I would not do that.
You just have to sleep with one guy. You have to sleep with 4 guys. I just don't have one boss. I have 4 bosses. Would you still be interested?
Yeah, I could go for one, but 4 of them.
Variety, spice, everything that you're getting.
Can I meet them before I go with them?
Even if that guy gives me millions of dollars, even if it is Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, I will not sleep with any other random guy. No.
Would you like to try threesome?
Ooh, I always tease my friends by saying that.
I wish we had some sex toys like nice vibrators, big penis sizes.
Okay.